Hey everyone, welcome back. Here's how to fix the Deutsche Bank app not working on your iPhone or Android. First, make sure that your internet is working properly. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. A weak connection can stop the app from working. Next, restart your phone. This refreshes your system and fixes temporary glitches. Now, open the App Store, then search for the Deutsche Bank app. Then, if you see an update, tap on it. Updates fix bugs and improve performance, so update your app. If you're using Android, go to Settings, tap Apps, then Deutsche Bank app. Tap Storage and select Clear Cache. If the app is still not working, uninstall the app. Remove app, delete app, then go to the App Store, then reinstall it. This fixes corrupted files. Also, make sure your phone software is up to date. That's how to fix the Deutsche Bank app not working. Like and subscribe for more quick fixes.